Welcome to Pip Insight. Thursday the 9th of July, New York pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture for showing bullish structure and 3 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: gold dollar, pound dollar, Kiwi dollar, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure: dollar yen, dollar Swiss, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here we go, and there's plenty to unpack heading into the New York Open. Gold is sitting at $4,138 after a strong London session recovery, and our bias is moderately bullish across the board, with uptrends confirmed on the 4-hour, 1-hour, and 15-minute timeframes. The story here is a meaningful bounce off the $4,032 low printed yesterday, a drop of over $150 from the $4,187 resistance cluster, and price has now clawed back above the 4-hour EMA cluster sitting around $4,113 to $4,114. That's a constructive development, but it's not a clean bill of health. The 4-hour MACD remains in negative territory, and the 200 EMA up at $4,253 reminds us the broader structure is still corrective. On the fundamental side, we have unemployment claims at 8:30 Eastern, forecast at 218,000 against a prior reading of 215,000. A weaker than expected number could soften the dollar and provide a lift for gold. FOMC member Williams also speaks later, and any dovish tone could add fuel to the bounce. The levels to watch are clear: $4,147 to $4,160 is the immediate resistance band that bulls need to clear convincingly, while $4,113 to $4,121 below is the support zone that needs to hold if this recovery is to remain credible. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 1.3423 and 1.3493. Support is marked between 1.33815 and 1.339. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 162.45 and 162.61. Support is marked between 161.66 and 162.24. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8076 and 0.8108. Support is marked between 0.80366 and 0.80526. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing clearly defined bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.5778 and 0.579. Support is marked between 0.5748 and 0.5754. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4178 and 1.42. Support is marked between 1.413 and 1.4156. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 217.82 and 218.01. Support is marked between 217.34 and 217.47. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.